Are you trying to decide between Jellyfin and Stremio? You're not alone. Today, we'll compare these two popular media server options. Both Jellyfin and Stremio help you organize and stream your media. They let you access your favorite movies, shows, and music from anywhere, but they have different features and strengths. Let's start with Jellyfin. Jellyfin is a free, open source media server. It's great for users who want full control over their media library. You can customize it to fit your needs. Plus, it works well with various devices. Setting it up can take a bit of time, but many find it worth the effort. Now, let's look at Stremio. Stremio is also a media server, but it's more focused on streaming. It offers a user friendly interface and is easy to set up. You can quickly access your content without much hassle. Stremio also has built in support for various streaming services, which is a nice bonus. So, what are the main differences? Jellyfin is open source and offers more customization options. It's perfect for tech savvy users who enjoy tweaking settings. On the other hand, Stremio is simpler to use and great for those who want a straightforward experience. When it comes to features, Jellyfin supports more plugins and has a wider range of options for organizing content. Stremio shines with its ease of use and integration with other services. Pricing is another factor. Jellyfin is completely free, while Stremio may have some paid features. This makes Jellyfin a good choice for budget conscious users. In the end, if you want full control and don't mind a bit of setup, go with Jellyfin. If you prefer something quick and easy, Stremio is the way to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, please like and subscribe for more content like this.